This video is to determine that the car, the 2016 Dodge Dart, is not starting as we've had issues before. Going ahead and going to hit the remote start right now. And I get no start. There is no exhaust noise coming from it. I'll hit remote start again. Nothing. I get 2 horn honks and nothing. So now we'll go ahead and proceed up to the car, unlock the car, as the remote start did not work. We open the door. We're entering the vehicle. I am now getting inside the vehicle. As you can see, I'm inside the vehicle. And it says remote start aborted because my door was open. I've closed the door. I'll turn some light on here so we can see. Now, with the light on, I'm going to put my foot on the brake, and as you can see, I'm going to touch the start button. I get nothing. I get dash lights. I get nothing. I'm pushing the button. I am pushing the button. Look at what's happening in my dash. Does blind spot alerts come on? Everything weird and strange is going on in here. As you can see, I've done nothing except come up on the car, try to start it with the remote. It did not start with the remote. I got the horn honk, but no engine activation. I'm in the car with a little check engine light there on the dash, as you can see, illuminated. And I'm pushing the button. I have pushed this button now about 15 or 20 times with my foot on the brake, and I'm getting tired of pushing this button. Now, what I'm going to do is try to activate the car to get it to start. And as I've told you before, I'm going to apply pressure forward on the gear selector towards P. I still get nothing. I still get nothing. Now, I'm going to apply pressure backwards on the gear selector. And lo and behold, we get the car to start. I applied a backward pressure on the gear selector and it started. This confirms that I have the same issue. It has nothing to do with the fast pass that was removed from the car. The fast pass was removed from the car yesterday, and now I have the same exact issue without the fast pass in my windshield. There is no fast pass on the windshield, as you can see. The fast pass has been removed, okay? It's not there. I went through this process. I'm showing you that I pulled up on the car. The remote start didn't work. I got in the car. I pushed the button 14, 15, 17, 20 times with my foot on the brake. Got nothing. Pushed forward towards park. It didn't start. Well, sometimes it doesn't start towards park, but as I pulled pressure back towards reverse and then pushed the button, I got the car to fire. This concludes this video. This video is for the Gold Star smart engineers. Please figure out what's going on with this car starting problem. And don't return it to me until you fix the problem. Thank you.